Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm a rising junior at Regis High School, and my project is the obstacle avoiding robot. All right, so the parts of the obstacle avoiding robot are the chassis, which is this hard plastic base right here, the motors, which obviously, run the robot, the front wheel. I had to screw that in first, put the spacers there, basically. I had to screw the motors on too after I screwed in the front wheel. That was kind of difficult because there wasn't a lot of space to move around, but yeah, once I did it, I was able to attach everything pretty quick. I had to screw the battery pack on. The point of the battery pack is obviously to power the motors so they could run run. The thing that controls the motor is this red base right here, the motor drive. So I had to plug in the motors to both sides of the motor drive to these two filaments, right there and right there on the other side. And then I had to screw it into the battery pack. I had to screw this red wire into the 12-volt slot because this battery pack is over 5 volts. And then I had to screw the black wire into the 5-volt slot. I connected the Arduino, which basically allows me to code the robot myself, and tell it what to do. So I had to connect this orange wire from the 5-volt slot to the 5-volt slot of the Arduino, and this red wire from the ground slot into the ground slot of the Arduino. Then I had to connect the inputs. So essentially the inputs decide what direction and speed the motors go in. So ENA, IN1 and IN2, they connect to pins on the Arduino, and those control this right motor, and vice versa, the same thing for the left motor. All right, now let me get the robot to run so I could show you exactly what I did. So as you can see, both motors are working. Right, the commands are right now random, so it does whatever it wants to do. Yeah, just went backward under the couch, but you get the idea. Hopefully it goes forward this time. Okay, great. So yeah, I was able to code it, and both motors work now, and commands are more random than anything else. But yeah,